Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 2 for 19 longest subarray with maximum bitwise and I'm so sorry that we are today very late for the video, but without wasting any time, let's just dive into the video. And please subscribe to the channel, drop a comment. Let's go to 300 in the next 15 days because it took me exactly 30 days to reach 200, again more 100 subscribers. I reached 100 subs on 13th August, then I hit 200 subscribers on 13th September. So let's just make it quick to 300 subscribers, and without wasting any time, let's just dive into the video. That is, and this will be given an integer array nums of size n, and we have to consider a non-empty subarray nums that has the maximum possible bitwise and in other words, let k be the maximum value of the bitwise and of any subarray of nums, then only subarrays with bitwise and equal to k should be considered. And we have to return the length of the longest such subarray, and the bitwise and of an array is bitwise and between all the numbers. It's just stupid stuff. And a subarray is contiguous again. By now I wish that you know what it is. Okay, for example, we are given the numbers as 1 2 3 3 2 2. So the maximum possible bitwise and of any subarray is between the subarrays 3 and 3, because this will result in the bitwise and of 3, and the length of this subarray is 2, so we have to return 2 in this case. In the next in the next array we are having the maximum possible sub bitwise and of any subarray is 4, so and its length is 1, so to return 1, basically we have what we have to do is we will be calculating the number of maximum, which is the element which is maximum and that is occurring in the contiguous sequence. Okay, for example, if I am having the array uh, 1 4 4, then 1 again, 4 4 4, let's say. Okay, so here my output should be uh, 3, because maximum because the bitwise, and if we'll do between 4 and 1, it will obviously give me a lesser number. So obviously the bitwise and won't be maximum. The bitwise and will be only maximum in the case in which the subarray is having all the same elements, and firstly it should have all the same elements, and secondly to find the the sub bit by subarray with the maximum bitwise, and the element which is present in the subarray should be maximum. For example, this could be one possible subarray, but its length is 2, and then this is the subarray which will be our answer, and the answer is 3 in this case because of this length. If you want to, I can just pass it as a temporary test case and let's run it. Let's return -1 initially only, just for the test cases. Yeah, and if we'll see, yeah, the expected output comes out to be 3, so we just have to find the length of the longest subarray which contains the maximum. Okay, so firstly, as we need the maximum, so first let's find the maximum only, and let's initialize it with the minimum value, integer dot min underscore value. Okay, and then for int num and nums, let's update max as the maximum of num comma maximum. And then what I'll be doing is now we need to just find the streak, or let's say the contiguous subarray which is having the maximum number in it, which contains all the which contains the maximum number, or let's say in a simpler word, the whole subarray is made up of the maximum number. Let's have count and current streak, that is 0. Then again we'll traverse num, that for num and nums I'll be checking that if num is equal to my maximum element, in that case I'll be increasing my streak, basically current streak, that I'll be incrementing, else I'll have to update my count as maximum of original count and the current streak, and I'll be updating my current equal to 0, and at the end I'll return maximum of count and current, because there might be a chance that the whole subarray is just containing one element. So in that case, if will never get executed and my count will remain 0, so just to avoid that case, I'll be doing this. I'll be updating count or current, or there might be a case where I'm having like 1444, or something like on some edge case where the count never gets updated again. So in the let's say in this case only 1444, these three fours are 1, so after that the loop will exit and my count will never get updated to 3, so I'll have to return this in this way. Now let's give it a run. Okay, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. and it works perfectly fine as well. Okay, so just for today. Thank you for watching.